Hi, my name is Cameron Hay, and I'm the CEO of Dispatch Integration. At Dispatch, we work with some amazing clients to help them transform their businesses with advanced data integration and workflow automation solutions. A big focus for us is helping our clients through their HR digital transformation journey. So what exactly is a digital transformation? Well, we define HR digital transformation as an approach to deliver exceptional employee experiences and efficient and scalable HR processes that fully leverage the capabilities of modern HR systems and services. Digital transformation is not an event, it's a journey to continue to optimize how you do HR based on your unique business needs. This might sound complicated, and given how many HR technology solutions are available in the market, it can be. But done right, you can reduce this complexity and the payoff can be huge. At Dispatch, we do digital transformation every day. Over time, we have learned that the best way to help companies move through a digital transformation journey is to use a repeatable process. Our methodology is called DEEP, and it's anchored in your business and HR strategies. This approach helps ensure changes are focused and impactful while managing risk. DEEP is an acronym that stands for Define, Evaluate, Engage, and Plan. We work with clients through each phase to develop a comprehensive digital transformation plan. We then bring this plan to life through our rapid implementation process, which we call DIVE. Let's get into some of the details with DEEP. Define. The define stage is all about defining your HR strategy and KPIs, or key performance indicators. Your overall business strategy helps you determine what HR needs to do to support the business, and therefore your HR strategy is determined by and directly linked to your business strategy. You define KPIs as a way to objectively measure how your HR systems and processes support your HR strategy. Because HR is so broad, there are hundreds of ways to measure HR performance across the employee lifecycle. Your strategy will tell you which are the essential metrics that define success. For example, a high-growth company may prioritize metrics related to talent acquisition and onboarding of top talent. A retailer may prioritize metrics related to turnover, training, and performance. Your organization should have a comprehensive set of HR KPIs based on your business strategy and the context of your employment market. You should also know which ones are most critical. Once you've identified your KPIs, you can determine how each HR process is actually performing and where you need to improve to support your HR strategy and business objectives. The define step in DEEP is foundational. If you don't know how your HR strategy links to business strategy or how specific KPIs impact business needs, you won't have the context to know where to focus your process improvement efforts and why. Evaluate. In the evaluate stage, you map your existing HR business processes, technologies, and services and determine gaps and assess opportunities to improve operational performance and employee experience. Because HR processes typically span across different applications, in our experience, you can achieve tremendous improvement by optimizing processes and automating data flows between systems, often without needing to replace any underlying system. Modern automation tools also help you move work into applications like Slack and Teams, which can have a huge impact on employee experience and efficiency. In other cases, you may find HR applications or services need to be replaced to achieve your objectives. For example, older technologies may not support the needs of a mobile and remote workforce, or newer technologies may enable automations and employee experiences that just simply aren't possible with older applications. The critical factor in the evaluate stage is to be focused on your HR processes first and not immediately jump to the conclusion that a new piece of software will solve underlying process issues. While modern applications can do amazing things, In our experience, a process-oriented approach ensures you understand what are your bottlenecks to improving KPI performance, which in turn helps define exactly what you will need from any new solution. Engage. Now that you've identified and evaluated your existing processes and systems, it may become clear that you do need to upgrade certain elements of your HR tech stack. In this stage, you can engage with software vendors equipped with a clear sense of what your needs are and what are the functional and non-functional requirements in a new application to reach your critical KPI targets. This makes sure vendors are following your software selection process instead of you falling into their sales process. It's important to understand how each vendor's products work and how they would fit within your app ecosystem. It's vital to know how an application might change your HR processes and employee experiences. And most importantly, you need to be clear about exactly how these changes would improve your KPIs and support your overall strategy. How you engage software vendors will be determined by your procurement process and the cost or criticality of the solution. A formal vendor selection process includes vendor search, vendor research, development of a vendor assessment matrix, vendor briefings, questionnaires, individual vendor meetings and demos, reference checks, and a final evaluation and formal selection process. Engaging vendors with rigor will ensure your decisions are well-informed and defendable, tied directly to your KPIs and HR strategy. And they'll help you be confident that the software selected will improve your performance. Plan. The planning stage helps you develop a roadmap in the transition from current state to future state. There are many important considerations to address while planning this transition. You'll need to consider the quality of your HR data and may need to initiate a data cleansing effort to ensure you don't perpetuate bad data issues. You need to understand the stakeholders affected and create a change management plan. You may need to redefine your data model and define systems of truth for different types of data. You will likely need to build or change data integrations between your existing applications and the new application. You need a risk management plan, and you should clearly map out responsibilities for implementation and operation of the new system. Good, comprehensive planning will help ensure fast, on budget, and on target implementation. Importantly, you need to define what success looks like, including how you expect KPIs to improve with your initiative. This all sounds like a lot of work, but this process will vastly improve the likelihood that your transformation initiatives will deliver real, tangible value to the organization. And while this sounds like a linear process, in fact, the DEEP approach is iterative and supports continuous improvement and constant alignment with evolving business needs. At Dispatch, we work alongside HR and IT teams through this process, and then we can help execute the plan with rapid, agile implementations. We have another process for the actual development and execution of the plan, which we call DIVE. DIVE stands for Discover and Design, Innovate, Validate, and Empower. In my next video, I'll dive into this process. If you would like to learn more about HR digital transformation and how Dispatch may be able to help you, let's talk.